Here I have OPPO Find X3 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open screen which you want to capture. Could be home screen for me, and then you just tap combination of keys, power key plus volume down, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again. Power key, volume down, and let's get it. So one last time, power key, volume down. You can find your screenshots in Photos, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can send, favorite, edit or delete your screenshots, and also perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.